is your favorite car?
The Nissan Patrol. Capsule.
Capsule, Allah!
Hey, you tryna shut me out, it's getting blatant. Hey, I come and see you now, no hesitation. Yeah, I'm really, really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great this weekend, and welcome to my YouTube channel Petrol Head. So guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing and giving a review on exhaust whistle. To be honest guys, I haven't heard any good review about this whistle, but you know, I have ordered a month ago from Noon, so let's check it out. So here you go, this is my package from the Noon. Let's open it. Okay, is there something else? No. Okay. Yeah, so guys, this is the whistle, exhaust whistle, you can say. So guys, this is the whistle, exhaust whistle. What you have to do is basically you just have to install like this. First of all, you have to you know, unscrew this bolt, and then you have to put this exhaust whistle in your exhaust pipe straight away like this, and then you have to tighten the bolt. So guys, as you can see, this is a whistle. So guys, if you are living in UAE, so you can order it from Noon, and you can order it from Amazon also. I got this exhaust whistle for 23 dirhams. So yeah, let's check it out guys, and let's hope for the best. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is my Nissan Armada. So I have installed the exhaust whistle, and yeah, let's check it out.